The market is pumping and altcoins are ripping, but when the market is like this, it's super easy to lose money if you are not careful with how you are playing things. So what I want to do is show you a few markers that I like to watch that tells me when I can put my foot on the gas and really press these altcoins, and then where I need to slow down and start looking to take profits. Now, the first obvious one is to watch BTC. So if you're an altcoin trader, you need to watch BTC and see where it's bouncing and where it's rejecting. So if BTC is pushing into major resistance, that is normally your first sign that you need to check where your altcoins are. If your altcoins are at corresponding major resistance, they could be in trouble. The funding rate heat map is also a really good guide, and we always use this one when the market is ripping for multiple days. So right now you can see I'm tracking the funding rate heat map and things are getting a little bit hot on the altcoin front. But when these things start turning bright yellow or orange, that is when we know we really need to start being a little bit more careful. Next is Bitcoin dominance. This is a critical chart for you if you are focused on altcoins. And what I like to do is look for dominance on support to locate zones to take profit on altcoins, or dominance at resistance to tell me that I can look to start entering some more altcoin longs. You can see in this example that Bitcoin dominance is actually moving onto major support, and my oscillator is showing signs of potential upside reversal. So that is my first sign that maybe we need to start being a little bit more cautious here. Now, obviously dominance can lose levels. So every time it loses a major support level, that opens up another alts push until it lands on the next major support zone. One of my other favorites is the 4-hour RSI heat map. Now, reading this as simply as possible, when the altcoins are really pushed to the upside, that is danger. And if you note on the chart in front of you here, Bitcoin dominance is right at the lows. And that is telling us that there might be a bounce in dominance and there might be a reversal on these altcoins. So that is another area you just want to be watching, just to take a little bit of caution. Now, obviously, the market can continue ripping and things like that, but I love using these markers to tell me when to take my foot off the gas and perhaps start taking some profits. Good luck out there, guys. Remember, I cover all of this on my show Monday to Friday on Banter Plus. And if you like a bit of degen trading and you want to trade all these moves out there, make sure you tune in.